Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will give you instructions on how to use our Instagram phone farm bot, Qnibot real phone version, to increase Instagram followers automatically with multiple real phone devices. First step on, you need to visit Qnibot.com, then you can click on payment guide here. Follow the instructions to create an account at Qnibot.com, then top up your account. Next, back to this home page, click on Qnibot real phone, or you can search for Qnibot real phone on this search box. Click on this one. Scroll down, you will see the description of the available packages here, including trial, 1 year, and lifetime. Then you choose the package you want to buy at package session. For example, I choose 1 year. Next, you enter the number of licenses you want to buy into this quantity session. For example, enter 1. Then you click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card. Click Checkout to make payment. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, choose license key. Then you will see the provided key here. We will use this key later. Now you need to click on Download button to download the software. After downloading the software, you will see this file, Instagram Fanbox from .zip. Right-click on this file. Choose Extract here. Then you will see two files, including exe and msy files. Next, you double-click on this file, setup.exe. Then you will see Instagram Fan Setup dialog box here. Click on Install. After that, you will see Welcome to the Instagram Farm Setup Wizard dialog box. You click on Next button. Then you need to select installation folder. Click on Browse here. For example, I select this installation folder, click OK, then click Next. Then you will see Confirm Installation dialog box, click Next. After the installation is completed, you click on Close. Then you back to your desktop, you will see this software shortcut. Double click on this shortcut. You will see this dialog box. To get the key here, you back to your Qnibot account. This is the provided key. You click on Copy button here, click OK, then paste the key into this key session. Then you click Launching, you will see the interface of the software. First, you click on Devices tab here. After connecting your box phone to your PC, you click on Setup phone. Then you enter the number of phones you want to run at the same time into this restaurant session here. For example, I enter 20. Then click Start here to set up devices. After setting up devices, you click on Home tab here. Now I will instruct you to set up general settings on this Home tab. First is choose a script option box. As script name session, you enter the script name you want to create here. For example, enter test. Then click on this plus button to add the script. After that, I select a script session. You click on this icon to select the script you want to use. For example, I select test. Then, if you want to randomize the order of the selected features in this action session, you click on this one, randomize the order of actions. For example, if I want to run these 3 features and I click on this option, the software will run 3 features randomly. Otherwise, if I want to run these 3 features in order, I untick this one. Next, in case you want the bot to repeat selected functions at action session, you click on repeat after minute here. Then you enter the range of time in minutes. You want the bot to rest before repeating the selected functions. For example, if I set up 5 and 10 here, our bot will randomly rest for 5 to 10 minutes before repeating the selected features. Next, go to network session. You select one of 4 choices here, including no proxy, proxy from file, proxy from account data, or HMA VPN. First, in case you do not want to use proxy, you choose no proxy at network session here. Our bot will use the IP connected with your PC. An important note here is that if you use one IP address to log in multiple Instagram accounts, the imported accounts can be banned. Therefore, you should use proxies or VPN in case you log in multiple Instagram accounts. You can refer to proxygeo.com to buy the best proxy for this bot. Next, go to the second choice. If you want to use proxy from file, you click on proxy from file here. Then you click on enter file. You will see the import proxy dialog box here. In this proxy list box, you enter proxies in format IP:port or IP:port:proxy username:proxy password. Each proxy is on one line. For example, these are the proxies that I want to use. Each proxy is on one line, you see. Next, you enter the number of Instagram accounts that you want to use with one proxy and account per proxy session here. For example, if I enter 2, our bot will log in 2 Instagram accounts with one imported proxy here. Then, at proxy imported option session, you choose one of 2 choices. If you want the bot to run the proxies in order, you select sequence. If you want the bot to use the imported proxies randomly, you select random. Next, if you click on this option, do not enter accounts that already have a proxy. The bot will not use proxy in this file to log in accounts that you imported with proxy already. We will instruct you to import Instagram accounts with proxies later. Otherwise, if you want to use the imported proxy here, whether the Instagram accounts had been imported with proxies or not, you do not click on this option. Finally, you click Add, then click OK. Come to the third choice, Proxy from account data. In case you choose this option, you need to import proxy with Instagram accounts. We will instruct you to import Instagram accounts with proxy later in this video and add account session. And the last choice, you click on HMI VPN in case you want to use VPN. Next, come to the third part of general setting, Control Center. At number of tracks to run session, you enter the number of phones that you want the bot to run simultaneously. For example, if you put 20 here, our software will use 20 phones to log in 20 Instagram accounts at the same time. Next, at this option, Devices Scan Wi-Fi mode, You tick on this option in case you use a box phone that needs to use Wi-Fi or LAN network. Otherwise, you do not need to tick on this option in case you use a box phone that connects to your PC via USB cables. Next, in case you want our bot to avoid duplicate users, you tick on check for duplicate users here. Then you can click on this icon, question icon. You will see the features that our bot can check for duplicate users. After checking for duplicate user, you can click on Clear Data User Follow or Clear Data User Message to delete the duplicated users. Next, auto-change password. In some cases, Instagram will ask to change password when the bot launching the imported Instagram accounts. You can tick on Auto Change Password session here. The bot will change password and update new password for your Instagram accounts automatically. In case you do not want to change password automatically, you do not tick on this option. Next, Add Proxy IMAP session. In case you use Instagram accounts that require accessing IMAP to get verification codes, you can tick on Add Proxy IMAP here to fake IPs when the bot accesses IMAP. Then you click on this icon. You will see Import Proxy dialog box. In this box, you need to import proxy in format IP address, port, proxy username, proxy password. Each proxy is on one line. For example, these are the proxy that I want to use. Each proxy is on one line. Next, a proxy repeat session. You enter the number of times you want the software to reuse a proxy. For example, if I enter 2, our bot will reuse its imported proxy here 2 times. Then you click Save. Then click OK. In case you do not tick on this option Add Proxy IMAP, our bot will use the IP connected to your PC to access IMAP and get verification codes in needed cases. Next, a folder backup session. You need to create a new folder. For example, I create a new backup folder here. Open this folder, then copy this path to paste it into folder backup session. At the first launching, our software will save the Instagram account cookies in this folder. And in the next run, the software will use the saved cookies and will not need to launching Instagram accounts again. Now, I will instruct you to import Instagram accounts. Click on Add Account session. Then you will see Add Account dialog box. Next, I select a folder session. You click on Add button here. Then you will see Add Folder dialog box. Then you enter the folder name that you want to create into this folder name session. For example, enter tutorial. Then click Add. Next, I select a folder session. You click on this bar. Select the folder that you want to save Instagram accounts. For example, I select tutorial. Next, at Input Format session, you click on this bar. Then you will see the available format you can use here. You can choose the most suitable one. In case you select proxy from account data at network session, you need to select the input format that consists proxies. This one or this one too. In case you want to add accounts in another format apart from the available formats here, you choose Others. Then you enter the format that you want to import accounts. Click on this icon, then choose the format that you want. For example, I select UID, then password, then token, then 2FA, then proxy, then you click Save Format. Click OK. Next, you click on this icon again. You will see the format here. Click on this format to choose it. In this tutorial, I select this format: UID, a vertical bar password, a vertical bar 2FA, a vertical bar proxy. After that, you import Instagram accounts into this box with the selected format. For example, these are Instagram accounts that I want to import. You can see the format here is UID, then a vertical bar, password, a vertical bar, 2FA, a vertical bar, then proxy. The proxy format here is IP:port. Each account is on one line. Next, you click Add. After that, click OK. Then click Close. Then you will see the imported account available here. To change the display configuration, you click on this button. Then tick on the display configuration you want to present. Untick the one that you do not want to present. Then click Add. Then you will see the display configuration changed here. To manage this imported account, you tick on the account that you want to manage. For example, I choose 5 accounts here. You can tick on this box to select all accounts if you want. After that, you right-click. Then you can deselect account, move accounts to another folder, delete account, assign proxies, updating data, or export file to export accounts. For example, click on this one to export accounts. After that, you choose the folder that you want to save the exported file. Then you enter the file name into this section. Click Save. After that, you visit the folder that saves exported accounts. You will see the Instagram account exported here in the text file. Open this one. Then you will see the exported accounts here. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to set up our sessions in general settings of this software. Now I will instruct you to increase followers for Instagram profiles automatically using this bot. First on, you need to tick on the Instagram accounts you want to use. For example, I tick on this box to select all accounts here. Next, tick on Follow Max. Then click on this icon. Then you will see Follow Max dialog box here. At delay time session, you set the number of seconds that you want the bot to rest after following each user. For example, if I enter 10 to 30 here, the bot will randomly rest for 10 to 30 seconds after following each user. Next, at follow per run session, you enter the number of follows you want to run with each account. For example, if you enter 3 to 5 here, our bot will use each imported Instagram account to follow 3 to 5 Instagram profiles in this next username session. Next, at max per target session, you enter the total number of follows you want to run for each imported Instagram profile. For example, I enter 100 here. Our bot will add 100 follows for each imported Instagram profile in this next username session. Next, you enter the username of Instagram profiles that you want to increase followers into this username session. Each username is on one line. For example, this is the Instagram profile that I want to increase followers. You can see it has 14 followers now. You need to copy this username. Then paste it into this username session. You can enter multiple username here. Each username is on one line. However, to easily follow the increase, in this video, I will increase follows for one Instagram profile. This one. The number of followers now is 14. We can check the increase after running the software. Then you click Add. Next, you click on Start button here to run the software. Back to the Instagram profile here. Reload this page. You will see the Instagram followers increase from 14 to 33 here. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to use our Q&A real phone version bot, Instagram phone fan bot to increase Instagram followers in bulk using multiple real phones. You can visit our website qnibot.com to see other useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.